resetting your oil life on a 2023 Kia Sportage. Simple. Go to your home screen here. You're going to go to Setup. Then you'll go over to Vehicle. It's not here, so you will scroll up. Convenience. Oil change reminder. I won't be resetting mine. I still have 43%. But if you do press that, it will go back to 100%. And if you go back, there is service interval. If you use this one, you can go in and set it up as far as how many miles until the next interval that you're going to want to use. You'll go ahead and put miles in, days, however you want to set that up, and it will come up and remind you. That's all it takes. I'll be doing that on my oil change.